Here we shall take some examples on logarithmic differentiation. Let us write y is y to the power x. Not y is y to the power x plus x to the power y plus x to the power x is a to the power b. A function given like this. Now, question arises. Shall I take log? Log of y to the power x plus x to the power y plus x to the power x is log of a to the power b? Not at all. It will not be useful for me. ये मेरे लिए useful नहीं होने वाला. Therefore, why? Because there are addition. Logarithm does not change any addition to any other. Logarithm क्या करता है? Multiplication to addition. Logarithm changes multiplication to addition, division to subtraction, and power to product multiplication. So, every year I tell this thing to my students, but in the examination what they do? They write log in both sides. Okay? Don't do like this. Now, so which method will be effective? Now we are having two methods in our hand to differentiate the function power function fx power gx style. ये सब fx power gx style addition है. तो now I can write like this. What is y to the power x? E to the power x log y over e to the power log base plus e to the power y log x लिख पाएंगे plus x to the power x log x. Can we write? It is a to the power b. No problem, I shall leave. It is a constant. When I shall differentiate, automatically it will be 0. Now, differentiate both sides. E to the power something, same thing, e to the power x log y into derivative of x log y. इसका e to the power y log x into derivative of y log x plus e to the power x log x derivative of x log x, okay, equal to 0. Now the value of e to the power x log, इसका काम खत्म हो गया. हम अभी आ जाएंगे origin को. It is y to the power x. x log y का डेरिवेटिव x into log y का डेरिवेटिव 1 by y dy by dx plus log y into x का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस इसका वैल्यू x to the power y e to the power y log x. It is x to the power y. Derivative of y log x, y into log x का 1 by x plus log x derivative is log x into derivative of y, it is dy by dx plus what is value of e to the power x log x? It is x to the power x, okay, into x into log x का derivative 1 by x by x plus log x into x का derivative 1, that is 0. Getting the idea? अच्छा dy by dx टर्म को एक जगह कर लेते हैं. dy by dx into इधर से कौन आएगा? y to the power x will get in x by y into y to the power x. इधर से कौन आएगा? y ये log x into x to the power y over others we take to right side. Right side में कौन जाएगा? y to the power x log y with a minus sign. All will be minus. ये x to the power y into y by x, x to the power y into y by x आ गया. ये plus x to the power x into 1 plus x to the power x into log x. So, can I get dy by dx directly then? Okay, we can get dy by dx. For second method, you shall see the example of your book. Okay? Now, let us take some more questions. तो जहां भी एडिशन होगा डोंट टेक लॉगरिथम इन बोथ साइड्स। आ रहा है समझ में? लेट अस टेक योर एक्सरसाइज 5.5 number 6. Given to differentiate y is equal to x plus 1 by x power x plus x power 1 plus 1 by x. Okay? हाँ, I can write, if addition जब होता है, I can solve this in two ways. Okay? E to the power this log this, and here e to the power this thing log this. I can do in this way. No problem is there. But I shall try in a different way. I take this is u and this is v. So what is u? It is x plus 1 by x power x. So what is log u? X log x plus 1 by x. Now what is derivative of log u? 1 by u du by dx. ये क्या है? x इंटू इसका डेरिवेटिव. अच्छा, हम इसको we shall change this x log. देख लो थोड़ा. ये क्या है? x square plus 1 by x. Can I write this log x square plus 1 minus log x? Any problem? No problem. ये x square plus 1 by x log m by n log m minus log n. अच्छा, then differentiate करो. x into इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 1 का 2x minus log x का 1 by x plus log x square plus 1 minus log x into derivative of x is 1. So what I got? I got, take this x in, इसको अंदर ले लो, du by dx क्या बन गया मेरा? u into what is u? x plus 1 by x power x into x अंदर ले लो, 2x square by x square plus 1 minus 1 x अंदर आ रहा है प्लस log x square plus 1 by x. यही है du by dx. Then b क्या है? x to the power 1 plus 1 by x. Am I right? Then what is log b? 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Okay? Now what is derivative of log b? 1 by v dv by dx. First into derivative of second. 1 plus 1 by x into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 का 0, 1 by x का minus 1 by x square. How it is? ये x to the power minus 1 है. x to the power minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव minus 1 x to the power minus 2. Okay? Then what is dv by dx? v into v means what is v? x to the power 1 plus 1 by x into यही चीज. ये क्या है? 1 by x plus 1 by x square minus log x by x square. Getting the idea? I got dv by dx. I got du by dx. Then what is dy by dx? It is du by dx plus dv by dx. Why? Y was u plus b. dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay? So when addition is there, you proceed either in this way or by writing the function in e. E में लिख के कर सकते हो, ऐसे proceed कर सकते हो. This may be easier for some questions, but for last question what we did, that method was easier. Okay? Now let us take some more questions. Okay? चलिए. This question several times it was in the examination. क्या था? यही है. Question number 8. Y is sin x power x plus sin inverse root x. Okay, I can take this as u plus b. तो u क्या है? sin x power x. Then what is log u? X log sin x. Am I right? Now what is derivative of log u? 1 by u du by dx. वो क्या है? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इंटू log sin x. तो x इंटू log sin x का डेरिवेटिव. अच्छा, इसको याद रख लो. log sin x डेरिवेटिव इज 1 by sin x इंटू sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x. So it is 1 by sin x into cos x. Oh, it is cot x. The derivative of log sin x is cot x plus log sin x into derivative of x is 1. So it is x cot x. Oh, du by dx निकालो. U is what? Sin x power x whole into x into cot x plus log sin x. Come finish. Du by dx we got. Then what is v? v क्या था? sin inverse root x. तो what is dv by dx? sin inverse something 1 by root 1 minus that thing square. root x square is x into derivative of that thing. That thing कौन है? root x. What is its derivative? 1 by 2 root x. Okay. अब root x को अंदर ले लो. 1 by 2 root x अंदर जाएगा. दोनों रूट है x minus x square. So what is dy by dx? y was u plus b. It is du by dx plus dv by dx. वो क्या बन गया? It is yes sin x power x x cot x plus log sin x plus 1 by 2 root x minus x square. आ रहा है समझ में? Okay, don't leave a single question from this exercise 5.5 and the questions of your exemplar problems. Okay, and how to solve this question? 9. Y is x to the power sin x plus sin x power cos x. क्या करना है? Take this as u, this as v. Find du by dx, log use करो. Find dv by dx using log. You shall get. Very simple. And here 10 number. Y is x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. You take it as u plus b. तो u को क्या लेना है? x to the power x cos x. आ गया समझ में? What is log u? Log u will be x cos x into log x. x cos x log x. Then what is derivative of log u? 1 by u du by dx. Okay, equal to, here product of three things. What is the formula for finding d by dx of u v w? Yes, क्या फॉर्मूला है? दो तो छोड़ो, तीसरा डेरिवेटिव u v dw by dx प्लस u w dv by dx प्लस v w du by dx. Leave to differentiate one, leave other to plus, leave other to differentiate one, plus leave another to differentiate one. So x cos x log x, three things. तो 1 by u du by dx become x cos x into log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x प्लस x log x into cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस nx प्लस cos x log x into x का डेरिवेटिव. So 1 by u du by dx you got, then you will get du by dx. After that v, what is v? x square plus 1 by x square, it is a ratio, it is not in the form of fx power gx. So logarithm लेना उसमें जरूरी नहीं है. direct do differentiation, derivative of denominator square, denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator. Okay, in this way you must expect a sure question in your board. Okay, do very sincerely the logarithmic differentiation.